Imagine this, you made a decision to embrace a plant-based style in 2025, but there's a twist. You're not sharing this with anyone. Why? Because there's a hidden advantage to keeping this a secret. Join me as we uncover the surprising benefits of a silent beginning to your plant-based journey. Hi, I'm Blaze, and I help men and women to crush it in a plant-based lifestyle by keeping it simple with plant-based foods. In today's video, we're talking about why not telling anyone that you're doing a plant-based diet in 2025 is an intelligent and wise thing to do. By doing this will benefit you in quite a few ways. Number one, you can avoid unnecessary debates and conflicts with others. Because sharing your dietary choices with others, especially if you don't resonate with them, can sometimes lead to debates and disagreements with others who hold different views. Keeping it private eliminates these unnecessary confrontations. Another benefit of this is, if you're the type of person that feels social pressure when you're around others and friends and family and whoever it is, strangers, then when you stay silent in the beginning, when you're first starting off about your dietary choices and you are not openly telling it to the world, this will help you with avoiding criticisms from others, especially people who know you well. What you can do instead is start focusing on your personal health goals by being somewhat quiet and silent in the beginning. And by doing this, you will have unbiased progress by focusing on your own well-being and not needing to live up to certain expectations. Because when you go out and shouting it to the world that, oh, I'm going to do a plant-based lifestyle on January 1st, 2025, then this starts to build an expectation for you to live up to now, because you told basically the whole world what you were going to do. And then now they can hold you to that. And then you can feel pressured if you're not doing as good as you think, or if you're thinking you're supposed to be farther ahead in your journey a month later, 2 months later, whatever the case may be. So by being quiet and silent, especially in the beginning when you're first starting off, will be of a great advantage to you. This can also help to reduce social anxiety. Some people might feel anxious about sharing their dietary choices with others, especially if they fear ridicule or judgment. Just by being on the down low about it can alleviate this social anxiety. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you are or you aren't. If you would or you wouldn't tell others about a lifestyle change in your diet. And let me know why, the benefits, the disadvantages that you would have of keeping this silent. Another key point in this is that you can start to feel encouraged through self-discovery and experimentation along your personal journey. By embracing a plant-based lifestyle privately allows you to explore your own preferences and find out what works best for you without external expectations. You can start to be more creative through your culinary adventures. If you love culinary or being creative in the kitchen, then going plant-based is definitely for you. Busting out that painter's brush and being creative in the kitchen is a great way to explore your own creativity within you, especially when it comes to creating beautiful and healthy foods with tons of colors and flavors and smells. You can experiment with new recipes, ingredients, and cooking techniques without feeling pressured to impress others. If you haven't seen my other video where I share with you the 5 proven methods in food preservation in 2025, then I'll leave a link for that video above and down in the description box below. Check out that video because that will be very helpful for you, especially if you're first starting off or even if you're along your plant-based journey already. By maintaining some type of social harmony with your friends and family, by just staying quiet about your dietary choices, can help to maintain positive relationships, especially if your friends and family have different eating habits than what you are doing now. Also, by not declaring your diet to anyone, especially in the beginning, you can avoid being labeled or stereotyped, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. By being quiet about this, you will start to build confidence, slowly but surely, and eventually you will feel strong enough to let people know when you come into certain situations where it's going to be obvious that you got to be like, hey, yeah, I went plant-based 10 years ago. And some people that know you be like, say what? This will build personal empowerment and self-reliance by taking control of your own dietary choices without seeking validation from others empowers you to make decisions based on your own values and beliefs. This will help to build inner strength within you. Overcoming challenges and finding creative solutions to dietary restrictions can boost your self-confidence and resilience. Remember, the decision to keep your plant-based diet a secret is a personal one. The benefits may vary depending on your individual circumstances and social environment. If you want to absolutely crush it in 2025 by going plant-based and having more energy than you have ever had in your entire life, then watch this video right here where I explain to you one of the most important tips that you need to know before starting a plant-based lifestyle. It is crucial that you understand and apply this tip immediately so that you are not fazed by any challenges that come your way. Watch this video right here, and I will see you over there.